passed, a build failed. Codex needs your approval before moving forward. For SEOs and agency owners, this turns long technical jobs on Codex from your phone, while you're walking, while you're at the gym, while you're in a meeting. Your AI coder is working in the background and you're just checking in from your pocket. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how this works, why it matters for your business, and I've got one feature at the end of this video that most people are completely sleeping on. It's the most underrated thing in this entire update. Let's go. First, let's clear something up. Codex is not ChatGPT. They are different tools. ChatGPT is where you talk, plan, brainstorm, and ask questions. Codex is where things actually get built. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is your strategist. Codex is your developer. Codex can go inside a project, edit files, run commands, test things, and complete real build tasks. It is an AI coding agent, not just a chatbot that gives you advice. And for business owners, for SEO pros, for agency owners, this is huge because SEO is not just keywords and backlinks. A big chunk of ranking comes from your actual website, page speed, clean code, good structure, technical fixes, schema, mobile layout, internal pages. That stuff takes real time to build, and Codex helps you build it faster. We're talking landing pages, broken layout fixes, cleaner code, SEO-friendly page templates, schema markup, faster load speeds, structured pages, and small site improvements shipped in a fraction of the time. That is a lot of stuff you probably pay someone else to do right now. Here is the update that changes everything. Codex is now available inside the ChatGPT mobile app. It's in preview right now, so you can start a task on your desktop, walk away and supervise it from your phone. Think about what that actually means. Before this update, you had to sit at your desk while the AI worked. You'd just be watching, waiting, doing nothing while your time ticked away. Now the AI keeps working and you only step in when something needs your decision. You've gone from being a person waiting on AI to being a manager of AI. That is a completely different relationship with these tools. It's like having a developer on your team who works in the background. You don't sit next to them all day. You check in, give feedback, approve changes, and move on. That's the new workflow. Quick one before we get into the features. If you want to learn how to use tools like Codex to automate your business and actually build systems that save you time, come join us inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We've got 2,800 members using AI automation every single day to grow their businesses. Whether you want to automate your content, your SEO, your client delivery, or your lead gen, we've got the workflows, the templates, and the community to make it happen. Link is in the description. Go check it out. Now let's get into the features. Feature 1, your phone becomes a remote control. This is the core of the update. From your phone, you can check what Codex is doing right now. You can see task progress, approve changes, start new work, or continue existing work. For anyone running multiple SEO projects or client websites, this is massive. Small technical tasks no longer block your whole day. Here's a real example using the AI Profit Boardroom. Say I want a new landing page built, one that explains the offer clearly, loads fast, looks clean on mobile, and hits all the right SEO basics. I kick off the task in Codex on my desktop with a prompt like this: create a fast, SEO-friendly landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. Include a clear hero section, benefits, social proof, an FAQ section, and a strong call to action. Keep the code clean, mobile responsive, and optimized for fast loading. Then I walk away. I'm in a meeting, or I'm recording another video, or I'm on a call with a client. Codex is building the page in the background. I check progress from my phone, I review the output, I approve it, or request changes. The page gets built without me sitting at my desk watching it happen. Feature 2, notifications kill the waiting problem. Here's a pain point every agency owner and freelancer knows. When AI is working on a long task, you keep checking whether it's done. You flip back to the tab, you check again, you waste attention. Codex now sends you notifications when something important happens. The task is complete. A test passed, a build failed. Codex needs your approval before moving forward. For SEOs and agency owners, this turns long technical jobs into background tasks. You only return when there is something to actually decide. So instead of watching Codex fix slow pages on your site, you ask it to run the checks, make the improvements, and ping you when the work is ready to review. That's the shift. Your job is no longer to watch AI work. Your job is to approve, direct, and move on. Feature 3, goal-based workflows. This one is where Codex gets seriously powerful. There's a difference between asking AI to do one small thing and asking AI to achieve an outcome. The old way is fix this one page. The better way is improve this group of pages until they hit the performance, structure, and usability goals I care about. For the AI Profit Boardroom, that might look like this. Review the website and improve all the landing pages so they are faster, cleaner, easier to navigate, and better structured for SEO. That's a goal, not a task. And Codex can work through it step by step. Plan, edit, test, repeat. SEO often involves repetitive improvements across a lot of pages. A goal-based agent doesn't need you to handhold every step. You set the direction, it handles the execution, and it comes back to you when it needs a decision. Feature 4, side chat while the main task keeps running. This one is really cool. While Codex is working on your main project, you can open a side chat and ask it questions without interrupting what it's doing. Think of it like tapping your developer on the shoulder for a quick question while they keep coding. For SEO use cases, this is super practical. You can ask Codex why it chose a certain page structure. You can ask whether a section could be improved for conversions. You can ask if the headings are clear enough for search intent. You can ask whether the layout works well on mobile. You can ask for a quick explanation of a technical change it just made. The key benefit here is that you can understand the work without stopping the work. That's a huge deal when you're managing multiple projects and don't want to lose momentum. Feature 5, file previews and inline comments, the underrated one. Okay, here it is, the feature I teased at the start. This is the most overlooked thing in this entire update. Before you approve any changes Codex makes, you can open the files, inspect the edits, and leave inline comments directly where you want something changed. This matters a lot. You should never blindly trust AI-generated code or website edits. You need a way to review, guide, and correct the work before it goes live, and now you can do that from your phone. For the AI Profit Boardroom, imagine Codex just rewrote a landing page section. I open the file preview on my phone, I see a heading I don't like, I leave a comment right on that line, rewrite this heading to be clearer about the AI automation community benefit. I see a CTA that's too weak. I leave a note, strengthen this CTA to drive more signups. I see a FAQ block that's missing a key question. I flag it. Add a FAQ about what's inside the boardroom. Small details matter in SEO and in conversion. Inline comments let you guide those details from your phone instead of sending vague back and forth messages. Here's the real shift that's happening right now. AI is moving from chatting to supervising. A year ago, you asked a tool a question and waited for an answer. Now you assign a job, let the AI work, and step in only when your decision is needed. For SEO, that means more pages can get built, more technical fixes get handled, more tests get run, more client work moves forward, and less time gets wasted waiting. For the AI Profit Boardroom, this is exactly the kind of workflow we teach. Not just how to use AI tools, but how to build systems where AI does the heavy lifting and you focus on the strategy, the growth, and the decisions that actually move the needle. If you want to learn how to build workflows like this and use AI automation to actually grow your business, come join us inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We've got 2,800 members inside right now, learning how to use tools like Codex, ChatGPT, and dozens of other AI systems to save time and scale faster. It's not theory, it's real workflows, real templates, real SOPs. Link is in the description, go check it out. And if you're not ready for that yet, we've also got the AI Success Lab, our free community with 75,000 members who are crushing it with AI every single day. You'll get all the video notes from this video in there, plus access to 100 plus AI use cases, workflows, and resources. It's completely free. Link is in the comments and description.